Hello, my name is Jimmy Zell. I want to welcome you and thank you in advance for taking the time to look at this overview regarding wealth generators. First, let me tell you my story. I've been involved full-time in the home business industry for almost 12 years. It's truly been a blessing to be able to earn a full-time income, travel the world, and help so many people through this industry. Before I got involved in this industry, I was a tired, overworked corporate executive who had no time for my family. I would get up early in the morning, come home late at night, and I was so exhausted that I would give my family the leftovers. Some of you can probably relate to that. Well, if you fast forward to today, I absolutely love what I do. See, I get to work with people that I want to work with. I get to work when I want to work, and I get to work wherever I want to work as well. It's truly been a life-changing experience. Here at Wealth Generators, we want you also to start living your life. Today, I want to challenge your thinking. Many of us get up every day and we work hard for our money. How would you like to start having your money work for you? See, I love this quote. Put your money to work or you will always be working for your money. We're going to show you how you can have your money work for you starting today. How many of you know who Robert Kiyosaki is? He is a New York Times best-selling author. He's published over 20 books and one of the most sought-after financial education and business leaders in the world today. In his Cash Flow Quadrant book, he discusses the 4 quadrants that people fall into. The first quadrant is the E quadrant, or the employee quadrant. 60% of the population is in this quadrant. These people get up every day, they go to a job, they're told when to come to work, when to take a lunch break, and when they can go home. They are exchanging their time and effort for an income, and if they don't work, they don't get paid. The S quadrant, or the self-employed quadrant, is about 35% of the population. See, these are the people that have decided to work for themselves. They make money, but because they work for themselves, many of the self-employed have no time to enjoy their income. They become a slave to their business, and if they don't work or they get injured, it can be very detrimental to their income and their lifestyle, so they work even harder. Then you have the B quadrant, or the business owner. These people have figured out what leveraged income is. They have systems and networks working for them, and they are building assets. See, a true business owner can build their business, and because of their efforts, can eventually have a business that continually produces income, whether or not he or she is present in the day-to-day business. Then you have the I quadrant, or the investor quadrant. There's only about 1% of the population here. This is when you have money working for you, and you have unlimited income potential. Today, I'm going to show you how in Wealth Generators, the business model that we have, how you can participate in both the B quadrant as a business owner and the I quadrant as an investor, and how you can leverage to build a network, and also how you can have your money start working for you instead of you always working for your money. Now, let's talk about our founders. I believe one of the most important things to consider when looking at a business is what I call the who factor. I mean, who is casting the vision? Who's leading the charge? Who's making the day-to-day decisions? Here at Wealth Generators, we have 4 incredible founders with a wealth of experience in business and in the investment world. I personally met Ryan Smith and Chad Miller, and I can tell you that they are just great guys. They truly care about the company, the customers, and the field reps. They have a record of success in building companies. They built and sold a company that was doing over $350 million in revenue, so they have the experience to run and lead a company. Annette Rayner is the technology and IT specialist for the company, but she also has her Series 65 IAR license and is an excellent trainer in educating investors. Last but not least is Mario Romano. Mario has over 30 years of Wall Street experience. He's been a venture capitalist. He's been involved in private debt, equity, and funds management. And so when you put this founders group together, you get a wealth of experience and knowledge to lead this company to become a most admired company, and not only a company that will change people's lives all around the world, but will do it through the financial industry. Here at Wealth Generators, we have 4 pillars that I'm going to talk to you about today. Okay, the company's been built on these 4. They are the find, grow, enjoy, and give. The first pillar is find. What we're going to do is we're going to help you find money that you didn't know you have. The best strategies for creating available money from your existing finances through budget, debt elimination, and tax savings. Step-by-step training created by financial experts, how to put that budget together, how to stick with it, how to eliminate that debt, right? And then maximize the tax advantages of having a home-based business. See, if you were to go talk to your accountant today and ask them, hey, what are the benefits of having a home-based business? They would tell you that the average person saves $3,000 to $6,000 a year on their taxes by just having a home-based business. How many of you would like to get a $3,000 to $6,000 pay increase by just having a home-based business? We also want to challenge you with our 30-day Money Miracle Challenge. We want you to discover that additional money, free yourself from debt, and start living your life. Our second pillar is the Grow pillar. This is where we want your money to start working for you. We're going to do this through two strategies in terms of growing your money and accumulating that wealth, through Forex and equities. But I want to put something in perspective for you first. I want to talk to you about how big the Forex market is versus equities, right? And so on a daily basis, the average trading volume for the New York Stock Exchange that many of us are familiar with, 10,000 stocks, it's about $22 to $23 billion in daily trading volume. But did you know that the Forex market on a daily basis does over $5 trillion? That's right, $5 trillion. All right, and so you could add the New York, the Tokyo, and the London, put them together, and they're still not bigger than Forex. And so we're going to show you how to be able to leverage yourself, your money, through the Forex and equities programs. Now, what you're going to do through our alert program is you're going to mirror our experts. Now, our experts have decades and decades of experience. 40 years of trading experience. These experts have traded everything from equities to options, currencies, futures, and commodities while educating thousands of traders throughout their careers. So they'll do the research, they'll manage the strategy, they'll deliver simple and concise alerts via email and push notifications directly to your smartphone. So you literally get to mirror these experts, right? They're going to cut the learning curve out for you. They're going to do the trading for you. Now, our Forex alerts are provided by these market experts. This is basically what ends up happening is you're going to get an email or push notification. It's going to tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to take the profit. And these strategies are going to be for our FX Active, FX Swing, and FX Macro. And just be on the lookout for those when you enroll as a customer, because then you'll get those alerts if you decide to do one of those packs. Now, we're very excited about our newest product, and that is called the FX Simplifier. It's basically hands-free trading done for you. Now, you'll never miss a WG market expert alert, okay, because trade orders are executed immediately. All right, you're going to be able to set up your own brokerage account. It's money that you control. You can you open up the account. You can put more money into it. You can take profits. And what we'll also do is we'll be able to set up in the Simplifier to help you limit your risk. You can choose your position size, your risk factor. If you want to turn the duplicator on or off, and you can get started as little as $250 in your brokerage account. Once again, remember that you control. And also works with the MT4 platform. We're very excited about this Simplifier. It's an absolutely revolutionary product that the masses are going to love. Here's why. Let's talk about performance. Now, this is very recent, just a trailing 5 weeks of what's been going on. So whether you put $10,000, $1,000, or $500 in, your money would have doubled in the past 5 weeks with this program. Okay, and so get back with the person that is showing you this webinar, and just know this: whatever the last 4 weeks are, whatever they can show you some of those results. Always remember this: past performance is not indicative of future results, right? And one of the things I love about it is that we have a group of master traders, right? And so you're not locked in just to one trading philosophy. You got a group of master traders, and when you add up all of their success, so one of them might be having a bad day, and the other 4 or 5 are having good days, right? And so that's what's great. That's why we're getting so many pips, and why it's so profitable, and we're getting the results is because not only is it instant trading on all the accounts, but we have a group of traders that are doing it as well. The equities alerts, same thing. You're going to be able to get the market experts will send these alerts out to you. Strategies on weekly options, the XPX, monthly momentum, as well as the S&P 500. And so you'll be on the lookout for those alerts if you decide to do the equities pack. So putting your money to work. See, there are 3 reasons why individuals do not trade for themselves. First one is lack of time, second one is lack of knowledge, and third one is lack of money. Well, we are able to show you how you can't use that as one of the reasons why not to be able to join Wealth Generators, because lack of time with our simplifier, you literally don't have to do anything. Okay, it is hands-free. All right, so for you busy people, that's ideal for you, because you basically put money into your brokerage account, you attach the simplifier to it, and the traders do all the work for you, right? Same way with our alerts, they're doing all the work for you. They'll send those out, whether it's through the equities or the Forex pack, they're going to send out those alerts, and so it doesn't take a lot of time to even enter those in. Lack of knowledge. Yes, to be a very successful and consistent trader, you got to have some knowledge. You got to take the time to learn this skill. Well, here you don't have to. We have experts that already have that skill, and they'll prove it through the results of trading. And then lack of money. Ladies and gentlemen, you can get started for as low as $250 in a brokerage account and start to build your account up, right? If you're a little bit behind on your financial goals, you can accomplish them and collapse those time frames by the products that we offer. The third pillar is that we want you to really enjoy what you're doing here with Wealth Generators. You are in a community of people that love life, that love getting our money right, that want to do life together. See, life was meant for community and great adventures, and so one of the things that we want you to do is start living. We're going to have incredible rewards, incentive trips, events that you'll be able to participate not only here in the United States but around the world. Our fourth pillar is that we want to help generate joy and get the most out of life. See, we're a community devoted to giving back because we know that helps us increase our life's purpose and meaning. So a portion of all our revenue is invested into one of our algorithm accounts, and it's going to help generate joy around the world. It's self-funding itself through the company, and will continue to perpetually give money back to help those in need. The other way you can give is that if you learn how to get your finances in order, right? How to have your money, how to find that money, how to start growing it. Well, then what you want to do is you want to teach others. So at Wealth Generators, the fastest way to financial freedom is to help others discover theirs. Now, we've got a very simple bonus plan. It's made simple. But I want you to understand something. Here at Wealth Generators, we have a very disruptive business model. Just like Uber and Airbnb, Netflix, Amazon, or Tesla, these are companies that have disrupted their industries. Wealth Generators is doing the exact same thing in the home business industry. See, every single company in direct sales, to make a commission, you have to either sell a product or a service, or you have to recruit others to sell a product or service. We're the only opportunity where you can make money and even create financial freedom without recruiting a single person. So here's how you do it. 3 simple steps. First one is share. Once you share this program with a few other people, 3 people, right, you're going to generate 400 in personal volume because your volume counts as well. And then your subscription is now guaranteed. All right, so you're going to have basically a free business. Your subscription is guaranteed. The second step is you want to teach. So you just share this with 3 other people. They became customers. Now you want to teach them to do the exact same thing. And so if you help those 3, right, go get 3 as well, you'll have a total of 12 people in your team, right? And when you do that, you're going to earn yourself $500 of monthly residual income. It might not sound like a lot, but did you know that the average person that files bankruptcy or goes into foreclosure, they only needed like $400 to $500 extra, and that would have prevented them from having to file that bankruptcy or go into foreclosure. The third step is that you want to start leading your group. You want to start to help people, share this with as many people as possible, right? And so you can start earning yourself $1,000 monthly residual income, and it just keeps going from there. The great thing about our bonus plan is that there's no ceiling to the amount of income that you can earn. You can make yourself a 6-figure income and even possibly a 7-figure income. But all starts with 1, 2, 3. Share, teach, and lead. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when you get started with us, we've got a very simple system from day one that you can plug into. See, SYSTEM stands for Save Yourself Stress, Time, Energy, and Money, right? The reason why McDonald's can save billions and billions and billions of people have been served, and why teenagers run that company, basically, when you drive up to the drive-thru, who hands you your French fries? A teenager, right? When you go up to the counter and take your order, who takes your order? A teenager. Well, the reason why is because they have a very simple system. They have processes in place. Well, the same thing here at Wealth Generators. Your job is to become an information tour guide. Point people to our proven tools, and that will make you the expert without ever actually having to be one. We've got calls and webinars and many tools that you can use to help people see this business and share it with them. So start living by getting started today. We've got 3 packs that you can get started with. The first pack is our equity pack. All right, so what's inside of that equity pack is the S&P 500. You'll get alerts for that, the momentum, the options, the XPX, as well as portfolio. All right, futures. All of that is in the equity pack. You'll get alerts. They'll tell you when to trade, what to do, and that's part of equity pack. It's $129.99. Then we move to our FX Algo Pack. Now this is the one that has the Forex alerts. It's got the FX Simplifier in it, hands-free trading. It's got the live pip rooms, and for $149.99, okay, plus a $49.99 one-time fee for your Forex trading, you can get started on that pack for $199.98 today, right? And so you're going to get all that, and remember, it's a one-time fee of $49.99. After that, it's $149.99 every single month, right? Then you have your all-in pack. Now, this pack is both the equity and the FX Algo pack, everything combined. This includes, everything in the equity pack as well as the Algo pack. The FX Simplifier is in this also. Now, it starts at $199.99 plus the $49.99 one-time fee for your Forex trading for a total of $249.98. Right? So pick a pack and you'll be able to get started as a customer today. Now, in our company, in our system, everyone starts out as a customer, so you'll pick a customer pack, and then if you decide, you can also become a generator. So once you get your 3 customers, you refer this to 3 other people. What you'll do is you actually log back into your back office, sign the agreement, and then you can pay for a total of $135, become a generator and a qualified generator, and now you can have full access in terms of the compensation plan to be able to help people spread the word, build a team, and be able to earn full commissions through our compensation plan. I absolutely love our risk-free triple guarantee because now in a financial opportunity, you're able basically to know that there's no risk in terms of you joining our company. All right, and here's how it works. We basically take the cost of your monthly subscription, multiply it by 6 months, and multiply it by 3. And I'll show you some examples here. We even use a demo trade account. Let's say in 6 months your demo trade account didn't make any money, right? You would actually be in profit mode of almost $1,600, because what we do is you take that monthly subscription, multiply it by 6, then multiply it by 3, and then that would be your your reimbursement. So you'd be in total profit mode. So even if you traded and you put $1,000 in and for some crazy reason you lost all, you'd still be in profit mode. You'd still be almost $600 in profit. So worst case scenarios, no matter what, you make money with our company. The reason why we can offer a risk-free triple money-back guarantee is because we're so confident that if you'll follow our program, right, or let our traders work for you, you will absolutely make money. So as we close, I want to give you my final thoughts here. It's really hard to start something new, but I want to challenge you again. I want you to think about your life the past 5 years, where you are today, where you're going to be in 5 years, and if you don't change anything or do anything new about your current situation, where will you be in the next 5 years? All right? Will you be able to live the life that you truly desire? Will you be able to travel the world? We'll be able to give your favorite charities. We'll be able to retire your parents or maybe even fire your boss. See, whatever your dreams and goals are, it can all start by making a decision today. And if you're already on that journey, help you get there even faster. See, there's 3 types of people that are watching this presentation. The first type of person is the number 1. They say there's someone that just wants to be a customer only. They want to either get the equities pack, the FX Algo pack, or the all-in pack. They want to use our amazing products and services and become a customer only. Number 2 people is they want to be a customer, but they might have some questions about being a generator, sharing this with other people. Here's what my advice to you is. Get back with the person that invited you to this presentation. Tell them that you have some questions. I wouldn't go out to broke Uncle Bob and ask him about wealth generators and what we do, especially if he hasn't seen a presentation, right? So get back with the person that invited you and let them answer your questions. So that way you can make a quality decision for your family and your financial future. And then the third person is the person that says, Jimmy, you could have been quiet like 10 minutes ago. I get it. I'm all in. Not only do I want to be a customer, but I'm going to be a generator, and I want to tell everybody about this. This is a person that wants to go out there and start making 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 plus a month, and so you're all in. So what we want you to do is get back with the person who invited you and tell them whether you're one, customer only, two, you're a customer but you have some questions, or three, you're all in. See, ladies and gentlemen, here at Wealth Generators, we want you to start living the life that you truly dreamed of. So I want to thank you for your time and attention today. We hope that you find the answers to all your dreams and goals through Wealth Generators. Make the decision to join and start your journey today and start living your life.